Good morning guys, and in front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, open the settings, then from main settings list select system, and now go to date and time. Here just switch off automatic and pick both date and time manually by yourself. If you want to, you can also turn off automatic times on here and then choose it from the list as well. So that's it, that will be all. Once you want to go back to automatic setup, just use those top indicators. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.